Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the Pond's moisturizer, which is really a hit in the market. This is really a good moisturizer from the brand Pond's, and this was launched before and this was later. So I'm gonna talk about which one worked good for my skin. I have oily skin and my skin becomes really oily, especially in summers, and right now it's pretty hot and humid here, and I really wanted to talk about which one I prefer the most among these two. So these are really very good moisturizer. I've been using this for a while now. I started with this one because this was launched before, and then I went on this one, and I am really loving both of this moisturizer. But I'm going to talk a little bit about each of them first, and then I'll say which one I prefer the most. So let me start with I think with this one, because this was launched before. So this is basically Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily fresh feel, sorry. And this has vitamin E plus glycerin. It comes in 3 sizes, and I have 75 ml, and this is for 115 rupees, yeah, sorry. And it comes in a tub packaging like this. The color of the tub is white and light greenish blue, not greenish blue, but I think teal color. And this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging. It comes in 3 sizes, and this is the smallest size, I guess. And it comes with a coil like this to remove the product. I usually cover it up after using, because I don't want any kind of dust or any kind of dirt to go in. So I just usually open this and remove the product and again close it off. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The color of the moisturizer is white in color like this, and it's very light and it absorbs into the skin pretty well and pretty soon. And the consistency is like normal, like a moisturizer. It's not thick, it's not very light, it's very not very light, but yeah, its consistency is pretty light, and it's really very easy to massage on the skin, and it absorbs into the skin pretty well, and it has mild smell which goes off after few minutes. And yeah, so let me just read what the brand claims about the product. So it says it is lightweight, non-oily formula, and it's 80% water based, and it says its light non-oily formula makes a moisturizer ideal for all year round use. And it has vitamin E enriched nourishing care for face, hands and body, and it leaves skin soft with a fresh glow all day. And yeah, so you can apply it on your face, on your body, on your neck, I think anywhere on your body. So this is what the brand claims about this moisturizer, and I really like this moisturizer. It's very light on my skin. I have pretty oily skin, so I prefer something lighter on my face, light moisturizer on my face, because if I apply something too thick moisturizer, it makes my skin feel greasy and oily. So I like this one. So the next one I'm going to talk about is their newly launched, not very newly launched, but yeah, few months now. So the second launched one, this is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So we all know hyaluronic acid is really good for hydration and moisturization of the face. So this is how the packaging looks like. It also comes in a plastic tub like this, light blue plastic tub like this, and even this has a foil, this silver foil like this. And the consistency of the moisturizer is gel like. The color is light bluish, and even this has light smell which goes off after a few minutes. And this is how it looks like moisturizer. It's very light and very easily absorbed in the skin. You don't need much of the quantity, less is enough for whole face. And so I really like this moisturizer right now, because this is pretty now this is pretty humid, and the weather is pretty hot here. So I like this one. It's gel consistency. You don't need much of the quantity, less is really little bit quantity is enough for your whole face and your neck. And I use it before makeup also, and it does its job pretty well. So let me just read a bit what the brand has claimed about this moisturizer. This is super light gel type moisturizer that provides long lasting hydration infused with moisturizing boosting hyaluronic acid. It improves your skin natural moisture holding capacity making it soft and bouncy. Non-oily formula keeps oiliness and stickiness at bay, keeping your skin feeling fresh, and it's suitable for all skin types and then for all seasons. So yeah, this is what the brand claims. I really like this one. It doesn't make my skin sticky or oily or greasy after using it, and it has mild fragrance which is really good. It's like a very refreshing smell, and it has hyaluronic acid which is really good for skin. It has vitamin E, and also it has, I think, glycerin also, and it is really good for all skin types. I think this will be best for oily skin people. I really love this one. And if you ask me, yeah, now the time comes, so which one I prefer the most? I prefer this one, especially at this time of the year. This is because this is summers and it's humid outside, so I prefer this. It's very light on the skin, I don't feel anything on my face, and this one is really a very good moisturizer. I don't see any kind of cons in this moisturizer. I really love this, but if you ask me one for now, I'll say this one, because it has hyaluronic acid which is really good for skin, and this doesn't have hyaluronic acid. It has vitamin E plus glycerin, which is really good. It does its job pretty well. It moisturizes my skin, it hydrates my skin, but if you ask me, especially in summers, I prefer this one over this one. So yeah, I think both are good, both have their own advantages. I don't see any disadvantages of not buying any of these two. Both works good for my skin. My skin is oily, and I think this will work good for dry skin people as well. But for this, I don't know whether this is how good is gonna hydrate people with dry skin, because for oily skin it's really good, but for dry skin I'm not sure how it will work. But yeah, these are the two moisturizers which I really love the most now, because it's very light on the skin, and it hydrates and moisturizes my face pretty good, and it's a very affordable, available everywhere online, in stores, and in normal grocery stores also you can find this on in in pharmacy and all that you can find. So yeah, so overall both are good, both does its job pretty good. If you ask me one for now, I'll say this, because of the hyaluronic acid in it, and because it really it has gel consistency which is really good for oily skin people, and it doesn't make my skin oily and greasy. Even this doesn't make my skin oily or greasy, but for now I'll go with this. But yeah, other season I use this one more than this one. So for in this season I use this one. This one is super light gel. It has gel consistency with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and this has only vitamin E and glycerin. Okay, do let me know guys, which one is your favorite moisturizer, which one you are using it currently, this one or this one. For now I am loving this one, because already told you in detail why, but this is also good, and I prefer more of this right now because of the humidity and because of the heat outside, and this is a good one in other season, I guess. So yeah, so I like this one. You do let me know in the comments which one you like, this one or this one. And yeah, so if you like the video, don't forget to give a like, and do share with your friend and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.